Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel we cover a whole bunch of topics, trying to elevate you to that well-rounded status. Today, I'm making good on a promise. A couple videos ago, I told you I was going to show you my new Jodhpur boots. I still don't know if that's how you pronounce it or not, but I told you when they came in, I would show you. Well, the mail has come, and why not do an unboxing? I did it with Thursday boots. Why can't I do it with Menlo Club and New Republic? As I grab my trusty razor blade, if you guys have forgotten, I'll remind you a little bit about the Menlo Club and the different services that they offer. So it is a men's styling service for $60 a month. It's a monthly subscription service, and you get to pick between 4 styles. The kind of clothing and the colors depend on the style. Well, a couple months ago they started to offer something new where instead of getting one of those 4 clothing style choices, they had what's called now choice, and you can pick between several different styles of shoe or different styles of clothing. I neglected to mention that in the video prior. There was like a hoodie and a t-shirt that they also offer too. So far it's been mainly shoes or like a gift card. You know, for $60 a month you could get the gift card, which was $125 in one of their stores, which is a very good deal. So there's 4 different companies that make the Menlo Club. There is the Grande AC, which is their athletic line. There is 5'4", which is like their more stylish clothes, I would say, such as you'll get polos and chinos and jean jackets and stuff. Actually, it's 5 companies now. They have a what they call Melrose Place, which is a higher end t-shirts and denim jackets and such, and hoodies, and I've got stuff from all their different companies. Their shoe company really is pretty good. That's New Republic. That's where these boots are from. So let me finish opening this box. Show you properly. This is how your shoes will come from New Republic. So yeah, we got the cool boots in the box. But yeah, New Republic. This is how the box will look. They really do have a very good brand here. Not just New Republic, but all of them. But I really do love New Republic. I've gotten a few different pairs of shoes. I think in the last video I showed you guys the white leather minimal sneakers that I had and that I got, and I have a couple of pairs of canvas shoes. They're just really good, really comfortable, and I'm really excited to see these boots. So let's check it out. The cover comes off, and what I love too is they give you a little bag for your boots. I love it. All the higher end shoe companies are doing that now, where you get a bag for your shoes and they go in the, in the box, keep them free from dust. And each boot is wrapped in another bag. And so I put down the box. Let's see, moment of truth. Oh, look at these. These are stunning. So if you guys aren't familiar with a Jodhpur boot, I'm just going to keep calling it Jodhpur. If it's wrong, it's wrong. But you guys know what I mean. It's this, okay? Okay. So it's styled very similar to a Chelsea boot. But the main difference is you have some kind of buckle on here, okay? And these are a little bit dressier, but they're still in the casual mark. So you wouldn't go rocking these with a suit. Now this is suede. This is really, really buttery soft suede. On this other side, there's a zipper. I didn't know that there was a zipper over here. I love that. I love the fact that there's a zipper on here. you know, when you get new shoes, some Chelsea boots are hard to take off, and having a zipper, it's very cool. Now, I know I keep saying Chelsea, and I know these aren't Chelsea's, but back to what I was saying, these are very similar to Chelsea's because of it goes over your ankle, but then you got the zipper that'll help come off, but you got this great little buckle detail here that just elevates them a little bit. Now, I have to admit, when I first heard of Jodhpur boots and saw them, saw pictures of them, I thought that they were extremely feminine looking. I thought that they looked more like a woman's boot, especially with the way the heel was. I'm not afraid of a heel, but just the way it came out very feminine to me. But I will say, seeing them actually on somebody that is dressed to kill, it looks amazing. So I brought in my Chelsea boot from Becca Simonon. I showed you guys a video where I unboxed these and you got my first impression. You can see that here. But I just wanted to compare and show you guys what I was talking about when I said that they were very similar to, here's your Jodhpur, here's your Chelsea boot. You see what I mean when I say that they're very similar in the design, but they're still very different. As you can see in the Chelsea, I need a table. I really need a table. As you can see in the Chelsea, you know, you have your elastic, and there's no buckle design. But on here, you really see that buckle design. I'm gonna drop this boot. You see the buckle design. You can see the strap that goes around it. It's very, very cool. Very sexy. It's just another level. I love Chelsea boots, don't get me wrong, but these are just another level. And I love suede. And if you guys could feel the suede on this, it is to die for. Now the sole is just a rubber sole. Unfortunately, that's what you're gonna find with New Republic. You won't find like leather soles. They may have some on like a higher end, but not that I've seen. But this is just a rubber sole, as you can see. Looks like they may have some stacked leather on here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like right about here, like this is the rubber like up top, and then there's some stacked leather right here. But I can't wait to wear these. Now, one thing I do want to warn you guys is that suede is very susceptible to water. So you would want to get a waterproof spray before you rock these puppies out in fall. Even though suede is a staple for fall, I highly believe that a suede boot is staple for the fall. But you want to pick up like a water repellent suede. They don't have the same kind of water repelling nature that Thursday boots has. I know you guys remember me talking about my Thursday chukkas that repel water. They're suede. They're awesome. I'm sure these are going to be just as awesome, but they do not repel the water. So, at least not to my knowledge. So just to be on the safe side, give them a good spray. And yeah, guys, personally, you can't, like I said before, you can't go wrong with a pair of suede boots in fall weather. It's perfect fall footwear is a suede boot. Whether it's your Jodhpur or your Chelsea's or your chukkas, I own suede boots in all three now. So definitely pick yourself up a pair of Jodhpur. These. Pick yourself up a pair of these. Be sure to check out Menlo Club. Again, high quality stuff. You guys can't go wrong with it. $60 a month and you'll get some fantastic clothes, or you can opt for fantastic footwear. And the great thing is, you can, as a member, you get a discount when you buy stuff from the different stores. So like New Republic, I could get a discount if I just wanted to buy these boots. So down in the description, there'll be my referral link to Menlo Club, where you'll be able to save a little bit of money on your first package. again, it's an amazing service. You guys can't go wrong, and you will have amazing clothes and amazing footwear, and that's what we all want, right? Amazing clothes and amazing footwear. Can't go wrong. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share. Please drop a like. Don't forget to ring that bell. Help us fight the YouTube algorithm. And especially if you got some kind of value, please subscribe. Once again, my referral code for Menlo Club is down in the description. Also too, please be sure to check out the wellroundeddude.com. Dude15 gets you 15% off your total purchase, and we got some very, very cool stuff on there, guys. Stuff that you will love. And we will catch you in the next one. So, take care. See ya.